Hello, aviation enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. Today we have a fascinating treat for you as we delve into the world of aviation history with a focus on the Royal Dutch Airlines, also known as KLM Boeing 787-10 Dreamliner, with the registration of Papa Hotel-Bravo Kilo Delta. This aircraft has quite a story to tell, so let's get started. Upon delivery, this aircraft was registered as Papa Hotel-Bravo Kilo Delta and is one of the impressive members of the Boeing 787-10 fleet. It first took to the skies for KLM on November 11th of 2019, making it one of the relatively newer additions to KLM's aircraft lineup. The 787-10 is the largest variant of the Dreamliner series, boasting an extended length and greater passenger capacity of anywhere from 330 to 440 passengers depending on layout and configuration. With a wingspan of approximately 60 meters, it is a sight to behold on the tarmac. This airliner, like all 787-10s, comes equipped with cutting-edge technology, fuel-efficient General Electric GEnx series high-bypass turbofans producing 76,000 pounds force or 340 kilonewtons of thrust each, and advanced aerodynamics. These features make it an eco-friendly and cost-effective choice for long-haul flights with ranges up to 6,400 nautical miles or 11,900 kilometers with a full load of jet fuel on board. Royal Dutch Airlines has a rich history dating back to 1919 as one of the world's oldest operating airlines. KLM has continuously evolved its fleet to stay at the forefront of aviation innovation. The introduction of the Boeing 787-10 marked a significant milestone in KLM's fleet modernization efforts. It allowed the airline to offer enhanced passenger comfort, better fuel efficiency, and a reduced environmental impact. Since its inaugural flight, this aircraft has been named Baardbloem, which translates to heavenly blue in English, and has been serving various routes in KLM's network from transatlantic journeys to long-haul flights across Asia. This Dreamliner has covered extensive distances, carrying thousands of passengers on its wings. Throughout its service, this airliner has worn the modern KLM livery, with the 100th anniversary stickers placed above the passenger windows around 2019 to celebrate the airline's 100th year in continuous operation, the first modern airliner corporation to reach that mark. As with any aircraft, this airliner's future lies in its continuous service and adaptability. While there's no specific retirement date set, KLM will eventually replace this Dreamliner with newer models as technology evolves. There you have it, the KLM Boeing 787-10 Dreamliner. This aircraft is currently a crucial part of KLM's fleet, connecting people and cultures around the world. The video on the screen now is a 1/400 scale model produced by a company called NG Models in 2022. This particular model, as seen here, is one of two produced, with the other one produced by Hogan Models in 1/200 scale, also in 2022. For any enterprise that is interested, this channel is available for advertising for your company. This opportunity is available for all reputable North American companies. Please contact me at the shown email address for details. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you watch my videos from start to finish helps me get a larger distribution, which will bring in more subscribers that will then repeat this process. If you enjoyed this dive into aviation history, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more engaging content like this. Feel free to share your thoughts and any other aircraft you'd like us to feature in the future. Until next time, blue skies and happy flying.